In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your cam sensor on your 2004, 2005, or 2006 Sprinter. In my case, I'm having an intermittent no start problem, which through Diagnostics I found to be linked to the Camshaft Position Sensor. So I came in here into the iCarSoft, went under the common rail Diagnostics, and I'm looking at synchronization between camshaft and crankshaft sensor. This is the value that you want to look at when you're diagnosing some of these intermittent no starts, because a lot of times you see this value will say something like not synchronized or resync error, resync verify, something crazy like that. When it's synchronized okay, that's when the engine will be allowed to start and run normally. If this is anything other than synchronized okay, the engine may start and then shut itself off right away, or just refuse to start at all. So I'm going to replace that, and hopefully we'll stop having issues starting it when it's warm. I've already got the engine bolts removed. In my case, I've got different bolts than the norm. Before you remove this though and start doing stuff with the cam sensor, I'm going to recommend that you disconnect the battery negative terminal, and that's a 10mm, and then just pop it right off and set it to the side. This way nothing's powered while you're messing with sensors or anything. So I'm just going to pull the engine cover. Beautiful engine cover. Your camshaft position sensor is all the way back here, way in the back of the engine. So the first thing I'm going to do is just, ooh, that pulled right out. I'm going to pull the bolt out. To take this bolt out, it's an E10. And once you've got the bolt out, it just pops right out. Here's the old one, the suspect one. It does look damaged. Here's the new one. You can see it's not damaged. And yeah.
Yeah, there isn't much to really tie wrap to here. That's...
Gotta love the tie wrap though. Okay. Cam sensor secured, already connected to the wire. So now we're just going to slot it back into the hole that it came out of. And we want to make sure it goes all the way down and that the O-ring is inside. That's tragic. This is another bolt that you definitely don't want to over tighten in any way. There's no torque spec listed in the service manual for this sensor. It just says tighten the bolt. I would recommend testing it before you put the engine cover back on, but we're definitely going to reconnect the battery. Now we're ready to start the van.